48 hours before the grand opening. We're almost ready. My dad is calculating. What are you gonna do, Dad?
We're gonna throw some rope out, and then we're gonna tie it around the bike, and we're gonna hoist it up, and you're gonna hold the rope until I can secure it with the wire.
This bike is going up there. I gotta go get some rope. I'm gonna throw the rope down.
Rapunzel! Rapunzel! Let down your hair!
Okay, here it comes.
You're supposed to hold on to part of it.
Ah! I didn't know that. Take two. You guys, it's a really flattering angle for you. Whoa. Okay. All right. We are getting ready. It's less than 24 hours till the big grand opening. Danielle, how do you feel?
Hot, sweaty, and tired.
Are you excited though?
Yes.
You think we're gonna do it? Are we gonna get there?
It looks like you'll make it after all.
Melissa, how do you feel?
I feel good. I feel so good. Oh.
So apparently Melissa's not stressed at all about the 3-page to-do list that's still left. Karis, how do you feel?
Pretty good, a little tired.
She's been pricing. She's a pricing maniac. Look who is here. It's Rhonda Frenchbrock.
Oh no!
Rhonda, you're on YouTube. Say hi. How do you feel? Are you excited?
Hi everyone.
Rhonda painted all these shelves. She showed up with gifts and we put her to work in the
Well,
hottest part of the store.
My privilege.
Oh,
Glad to be
thank
here.
you, Rhonda. Did you get an ice cream bar yet?
Not yet. I will.
Hi everybody, whoever's watching.
Are you guys excited?
I am
very
thrilled.
Do you think we're gonna get it all done? Are you worried?
No.
Should I be worried?
No.
No.
Are you hot?
Everybody's just
Oh, good. Everything's good.
awesome.
Okay, I got my people.
You're so silent. Are you mad?
What are you doing? What are you
Are
doing?
you mad that I'm painting up on your sidewalk?
No, I'm just thanking God that I have such an amazing manager who thinks like me and is so amazingly creative. You put so much love into everything you do. I love it. I love coming back from errands and finding this happening.
Yeah, it's the grand opening, right? We're so excited for you, Debbie. We're so happy that your dreams to have a nice big funky store with your paint and all your beautiful things. Don't cry, you're gonna make me cry now. You're live. If I cry, my eyelashes will come off. We love you. We love you, and that's why we're all here, and we're so excited for you and for all the things that are gonna go on today, all the workshops and all your dreams.
Well, I just want to say that I do this for you guys. Like, you are my reason and my why. There's nothing better than to be surrounded by good, creative people and to encourage others. And I am so honored that you're all here. That is what keeps me up at night. Is did I acknowledge everyone? Did they know how much I appreciate them? And I just wanted to say to all of you how much I appreciate you and how deeply blessed I am. And this dream is a big dream that I've had for 21 years, but really it's you. It's you. And I just want to create a place where you feel welcome and inspired. So thank you so much for being here. I love you. I'm so thank you so much. I always get this. Dying, Sue. Those are so lovely. Aww.
I know that's
That napkin, was that from Paris?
No, that one is from Italy.
Chelsea, those are looking fantastic. I love your little sneaks too. I love to see all the different shoes too. So fun. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So brand new, I thought I should have gotten them dirty. I know. I said, I wish my shoes were dirty. Just a little dirty.
I offered to step on that.
I know you did.
Mara, so will you tell my YouTube peeps that we're going to do this again if they want to take part?
If you want to come next month in September, Debbie will let you know. Stay tuned for the date. We're going to do another sneaker class right here. Bring your sneakers. Could be blue, could be black, could be pink, could be white, whatever you want. It's going to be awesome.
Awesome. So yeah, go to DIYagogo.com. We'll post the link and then it'll link over to Mara and you can sign up for the class and come have fun.
Yes.
Kathy is doing, the little nest. I love those with writing. And I like how you use the border part for the
They're brand new.
pretty. And your choice of napkin is so good too.
Thank you.
It looks like the Astoria foliage transfer from IOD.
Isn't that great?
Yeah. Every single shoe is different and fabulous. Like you all have, I love, it's like your personalities are coming out in the shoes. Yeah. Doing Kara Lockwood.
Hi, Queens. We are doing a floral painting class, and right now we're just getting this beautiful velvety blue iris on our canvas. But everybody's using different colors today.
Are you guys excited?
Yes.
You're gonna paint. All right.
I'm very excited to be here.
I want to learn how to paint those flowers. Hi. You guys, look who is here. Finally, my sister.
The other sister.
No, you're not the other sister.
The
You're
dark
my-
side.
She's my bigger sister, and I have a little sister, but you're not really my. I feel like you're my little sister too. I don't know why. My older sister. Yeah.
But it's because I'm the bad influence. That's why.
You know your Facebook handle.
I think it's She Devil Pastry.
She Devil Pastry.
Yes. That's what my son used to call me. He used to call me She Devil.
Okay. All right. So Ian named it.
Yeah.
Kara, I think we need to have you come back and do this again.
Okay.
There's going to be a ton of people watching online who want to take this class, including me.
Okay.
So when can we have you back? No pressure.
I can hop on a plane.
Awesome.
Yeah, that will be awesome. Was I on camera just now when you said that?
Yeah,
Hey,
you're committed.
Hi, everybody.
You're committed.
You didn't tell me I was on camera.
Well,
I enjoy being on camera.
I
Did you
needed
know
to
that?
I needed to document it so that I could be like, you promised.
Doing this.
Does anybody watch me and know that I give my brushes a headache? So if you want your brush to make a fine line, you actually give it a headache. And that's what I tell my grandkids, is you place it down onto your canvas and push, and then it'll make that fine line, versus if you don't push, it's not gonna make a fine line, it's gonna be more feathered.
I didn't know that. Are you giving it a headache?
Not yet. We're not at that stage.
So if it dries out, just add a little
Do you have a
bit
headache?
more, add a little bit more of the white, a little
But isn't this beautiful? I don't have a headache. No, I'm so happy. Look how pretty this is.
and if you match up and go in the shadows and highlights, and I see
Does
that.
anyone have a headache?
So the rock
on our YouTube channel, so I just do what I can with the time that I have. But anyways, because it's stenciling and I can't draw, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to design this. And
Her drawings are the best.
Oh yeah, if you guys could see what the graphic designer has to work with, it's pretty bad. And I made stencils and people loved them. And I remember specifically, where is Mara here? Mara's not. Okay, Mara went inside. Mara's like, I want to retail your stencils. And I'm like, wait a second. I know what Debbie does. She has all these retailers and you got to keep them happy. And I don't have time to keep people happy. Huh?
It's impossible.
It's impossible to keep people happy.
Oh, you guys, I'm so glad you came. Do you want to say hi to YouTube? Do you like getting creative? Oh, and tell us your names one more time. Hayden and Ruby. We're so happy you're here. Can you say a few words to my YouTube followers about what it's like and what have you been doing?
Hey guys, so one of the recent pieces I've been working on, it's a chair, and so I'm doing blue iris, hay sailor, and then I mix some hay sailor, blue iris, and concrete together to get this it's a really good color, and then we also use that. And then my mom helps me blend it all in because I'm not the best at blending.
Neither am I.
And then I dry brushed it, and then I waxed it, and we still have yet to buff it.
Wow, I can't wait to see it. And that's quite a cool shirt you have on.
Oh, thank you. Miss Dion gave it to me. Oh, no, sorry. Not Miss Dion. What was her name?
Was it Sue Bargetto?
Yes. Oh, you're very welcome. And, what else was I forgot what else I was going to say.
That is fine. I forget what I'm going to say all the time.